and sensors. Before any healing can begin, the space must be cleansed. The old ways teach us that smoke.
We call upon the spirit of the plants. Chamomile to calm, lavender to soothe. Oil is a sacred protector.
Before removal, we must awaken the ear. This technique is one of the most ancient. The old ways teach us that a vacuum.
Now, we transfer the herb's warmth and spirit. The old ways teach us that a warm After warmth comes cool. After action comes stillness.
The ritual is complete.